Okay guys, today we're going to be looking at another TackLife mouse sander. This is the PMS02B. It does have 12,000 oscillations per minute, like a lot of their other sanders. Also has the dust protective switch here, which is a plastic piece over top of the switch to prevent it from collecting dust, and of course it increases the longevity and the safety and health of your product. It does have a hook and loop system for putting the mouse pads on, or the sander pads on, and it comes with 20 pieces of sandpaper. Just like most of their products, comes with plenty of sandpaper to do a job. This one comes with 5 of the 80 and 5 120s. The other 10 are for the finger sander that comes with it. But for the hook and loop system, place it on, pull it off. You can do that all day. Pretty awesome. Now it does have the finger sander adapter to it, to where same thing with this tip. It's the same thing. You can get it real tight with that as well. But if you have like slats between your porch swing, finger sander, put it in there. Or also 2 buttons on the side here where you can rotate your pad. So if you really wanted to get into the slats between your swing, you get to rotate it, get nice and, get it offset and get in there. You can turn this thing, it's 360 degrees you can turn it. So, I mean, you can turn it backwards if you want. I'm not real sure that I would ever turn it completely backwards, but if you wanted to, you could. Of course, if you're going to do that, more power to you. This thing does come with an extremely long cord, just like all the other TackLife mouse sanders that I've had so far. It's at least 9 foot, probably 10 foot. I was looking for the specs on it, but it doesn't say. It fascinates me that they don't say how long that cord is. These cords are extremely long, and that, to me, that's huge. That's huge. It also has a dust collector bin with an air filter in it. Just like all the dust collectors, you just slide it in there, slap it in. And of course, you just push the pin down to remove it. And to dump the dust out, you just put your fingers inside. Finger-shaped piece of sand or device, or adapter. You just slide it in there to put it on the top. Tighten the screw, or tighten the screw. Not much mess on the floor at all. I mean, just a few little itty bitty specks, but nothing great, nothing fantastic, nothing horrible. Awesome. And we'll get an 80 grit with this. Put that right on there. And then we're going to try to get this little spot right back here that's still got paint on it. Try not to do it in a jerking fashion to where we